Alright guys, so welcome back, and as you can see here, this is one of my favorite RC planes, or half RC part drone planes. And this here is something that I believe is one of the easiest things for beginners to fly, because it flies like a plane, but it's a drone. So it lifts off the ground like a drone pretty much, but it has the ability to glide a little bit. And I think that, I'm hoping at least, that some company is going to come out with a large version of this, because the biggest thing, or the one thing that I don't like about this, is that the battery does not last very long. It has these tiny little batteries because of the size of the quad. And if somebody made a version of this that was much larger, it would be probably the most amazing RC vehicle for beginners that you could possibly have. Super easy to fly, requires almost no skill, because again, it has the same controls as an RC car, and like, who doesn't know how to like drive an RC car? Like, kids at ages 5 can drive an RC car. So the key here is this thing will just lift right off the ground, and it's just left and right. That's all you got to worry about. There's no real need for like
up and down.
Well, there's up and down, because that's just the main throttle, but it's just like speed. That's all it does. It just goes up and then left and right, but you don't have to do a lot of controlling. So that's my plan. I want to make this bird here more like this bird here, but it'd be nice if a professional company did it rather than me just trying to experiment. But it'll be fun to see if we can do anything at all with this. Let's start by unscrewing some of these screws here and see what can be done. Take this out of the way. Let's see, I don't even have a container for this stuff. I did not come prepared. But I'm really loving these motors. These motors are fantastic. Oh, thanks. There you go. That's why we have kids, because kids are super helpful. What do you think, Julia?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Best thing about life is having kids. Sometimes. You are so helpful. Alright guys, so in the next video, after I get this done, because you don't want to watch me remove 4 screws and another 4 screws, we'll move on from there. Thanks for watching, guys.